is signs and symptoms of stress. Okay, so signs and symptoms of stress may the way we respond to stress varies depending upon our personality. ठीक है, early upbringing, life experiences. Everyone has their own pattern of stress response. So the warning signs may vary as their intensity and resources that you have. So some of us, our pattern of stress responses can gauge the depth of the problem. मतलब हम एकदम तह तक पहुंच जाते हैं प्रॉब्लम की. um, ठीक है, by the nature and severity of your own symptom of or changes in the behavior. These symptoms of stress can be physical, emotional, behavioral, as we have already discussed those. Any of these symptoms can indicate a degree of stress which, if left unresolved, तो वो और serious implications को भी ला सकता है. ठीक है, so according to the person and how are you going to respond to it. So once we talk about the types of stress, there are different types of stress here. Okay. So number one is the physiological and environmental the stress. Okay. One of the types of stress. Okay. So the first one is the physiological and environmental. In that, what happens? So if you see, then there are a lot of stressors that we get from the external factors here. Okay, so the internal factors can be the diets we take, or the stresses of the environment, the floods that are happening, or even the traffic for that matter. All of these are physiological and the environmental stressors that hamper us. So for example, if I talk about my work, so my workplace is about 30 minutes far from here. Okay, so whenever I come from there, so whenever I'm back home, I'm in a lot of stress because a lot of things are going in my mind, and so much stress, and then the traffic is also so much, so all the honking and धीरे धीरे करके गाड़ी चलाना is a lot of pain. So whenever I'm back home, I feel very tired. Okay, so that is something which is adding up to my stresses. So physical stresses are demands that change the state of our body. Okay, we feel strained. We feel that our body is physically drained. Okay, so overexert ourselves physically, lack of nutrition, diet, suffer in an injury, fail to get enough sleep. Okay, so the environmental stressors are the surrounding stress. मैंने बोला, ठीक है, they are all unavoidable things like pollution, the crowd, the noise, summer, winter, too much winter, 2 months summer की गर्मी बहुत बढ़ी हुई है उसकी वजह से भी. So these are all physiological and environmental stressors. The second type of stress is the psychological stress, and here we have to dig deep into it a bit. Okay. So here, the psychological stress is that these stresses that we generate ourselves in our mind. Okay, so these are personal and unique to the person, and experiencing them are very internal sources of stress also. Okay, so internal sources of stress, जैसे we'll be talking about it more, but अगर हम वैसे बात करेंगे, so any kind of frustration that has happened, any kind of thing which you are not feeling okay, like self confidence में कोई दिक्कत आ रही है, yeah, you want to prove something but you can't do it, so that is also a stress that has been going on. Okay, so these are not only symptoms of stress, but they cause further stresses for us as well. Okay, so some of the important sources of psychological stresses are the frustration, number one, conflict, number two, and internal and social pressures. Okay, so these are four types, and there are more also, but let's talk about these four first. Then we have to talk about the social stressors as well. सो नंबर वन, फ्रस्ट्रेशन. ओके, फ्रस्ट्रेशन मतलब गुस्सा आ रहा है किसी ऊपर कि क्यों नहीं हो रहा है. जैसे अगर हमें हमें क्लास खत्म करनी है, या हमें वी हैव टू कंप्लीट n number of classes, okay, and that's not happening, so we get very frustrated कि करो जल्दी करो, ये करो वो करो types. Okay, so that is results from blocking of needs and motives, okay, by something or someone that hinders us from achieving a desired goal. Okay, so for example, जैसे मैंने इस क्लास के बारे में बात करी, okay, so we have to finish these n number of classes for you all to achieve a certain amount of goal. Okay, so what is your desired goal, so that we do these classes, so that हम पहुंच सके इसके आगे, correct? But जो हमारे जो मोटिव्स एंड नीड्स है वो हिंडर कर रहे हैं, क्यों हिंडर कर रहे हैं? बिकॉज देर आर लाइक एन नंबर ऑफ थिंग्स, बिकॉज मे बी अदर एग्जाम्स होते हैं या बोर्ड्स होते हैं या different kinds of stressors in your personal life is also happening, so there is a lot of frustration because you want to complete these things but it's not happening. ठीक है, so that is about it. So when the desired goal में कोई hindrance आ जाती है, when there is a रुकावट in that, so therefore there is a frustration that's happening. Okay, so there could be a number of causes of frustration such as social discrimination, interpersonal hurt, low grades in school. Okay, now let's move on to conflicts. Now, what are conflicts? Okay, so conflicts may occur between two or more incompatible needs of or motives. For example, whether to study dance or psychology, you may want to continue studies or take up a job, and there may be a conflict of values when you're pressurized to take like this action or that action. Okay, so if we talk about conflict is जब दो चीजों में या दो चॉइसेस में एक कॉन्फ्लिक्ट हो जाता है ना? फॉर एग्जाम्पल, मुझे साइकोलॉजी चुननी चाहिए या ज्योग्राफी चुननी चाहिए, दोनों ही अच्छे हैं, लेकिन कौन सा ज़्यादा आसान है जिसमें मुझे बोर्ड में लाने में दिक्कत नहीं होगी? सो दीज आर ऑल कॉन्फ्लिक्टिंग थिंग्स बिकॉज इन योर हेड दीज आर सो मेनी थॉट्स दैट आर हैपनिंग एंड दे आर लाइक कॉन्स्टेंटली लाइक बिकरिंग अमंगस्ट देम. ओके, सो फॉर एग्जाम्पल, इफ यू गाइज मस्ट हैव सीन पहले के टीवी शोज में ऐसा होता था कि जैसे कि आपने अगर देखा होगा, ऐसे सारा भाई वॉज सारा भाई या किसी ऐसे शो में, जैसे जो एकदम पुराने लाइक 2000s के टाइम पे, सो वहां पे ना द प्रोटैगनिस्ट इज इन अ कॉन्फ्लिक्ट. ठीक है, एंड देन देर इज द एंजल एंड देन देर इज डेविल. सो द एंजल एंड डेविल दे आर कॉन्स्टेंटली बिकरिंग एंड वो कॉन्फ्लिक्ट है दैट इज हैपनिंग इन योर हेड. ओके, सो दिस इज व्हाट कॉन्फ्लिक्ट इज. Then let's talk about the internal pressure. Okay, so internal pressure is this stem from beliefs based on the expectations, ठीक है, from inside us to ourselves, जो हम अपने ऊपर जो expectations को मद्देनजर रखते हुए जो हम करते हैं, ठीक है. I must do everything perfectly, like such expectations can lead to a lot of disappointment also. So many of us drive ourselves ruthlessly towards achieving unrealistically high standard goals. Okay, so I think we have discussed it before that when we expect those high standards and we're not able to achieve, ये सारा हमारा खुद का internal pressure है जो हम अपने आप को ही दे रहे हैं. ठीक है, एंड देन लेट्स मूव ऑन टू द सोशल प्रेशर्स जो होते हैं कि मम्मी पापा ने बोला है कि नहीं बेटा आपको तो 90% लाने ही है वरना मैं दुनिया में क्या जवाब दूंगी. सो द सोशल प्रेशर इज ऑन यू ऑल्सो एंड इट्स ऑन योर पेरेंट्स ऑल्सो कि मैं दुनिया में क्या जवाब दूंगी, मैं सोसाइटी वालों को क्या जवाब दूंगी कि तुम्हारे इतने मार्क्स नहीं आए हैं, ये है वो है वैसा. Then it may be brought from people who make excessive demands on us. Okay, this can cause even greater pressure when we have to work with them. Also, there are people with whom we face interpersonal difficulties, a personality clash, okay, of sorts. Okay, then we have social pressures. Okay, so social pressures is nothing but these things. Okay, so induced externally and result from an interaction with other people. Okay, so social events death, death, illness in the family, or strained relationships, trouble with the neighbors are some examples of social stressors. Okay, so these social stressors vary widely. Okay, from person to person. Attending parties may be stressful for a person who likes to be very quiet in the evenings. Okay, while outgoing person उसको बहुत stressor हो जाएगा अगर वो evening में नहीं बाहर जाएगा या वो घर पे रहेगा तो. ठीक है। सो ये सारे हमारे सोशल प्रेशर्स होते हैं जो हम, जो वी ऑल ऑफ अस आर गोइंग थ्रू इन सम और द अदर वे. So these were the types of stresses. Okay, so revising it, first is the physiological part of it, physiological and environmental part of it. The second part is the psychological part of it. उसमें आपके चार तरीके के होते हैं. आपका उसमें फ्रस्ट्रेशन होती है, कॉन्फ्लिक्ट होता है, उसमें आपका फ्रस्ट्रेशन होता है, कॉन्फ्लिक्ट होता है, इंटरनल प्रेशर होता है एंड एक्सटर्नल प्रेशर होता है. ओके. एंड उसमें उसके बाद हमारा आता है सोशल प्रेशर. सो सोशल प्रेशर में हमारे जो भी रिलेशनशिप्स, फैमिलीज, इलनेसेस, डेथ, ये सारे हमारे सोशल प्रेशर का पार्ट होते हैं. ठीक है.